Hello everyone, welcome to my channel India Gate. This is Nanis Nirma, and in this session we talk about flight mechanics, which is most important subject of the mechanical and civil engineering students. So here I represent 75 MCQs for flight mechanics subjects in AKT. So let's get starting. Here first question. An impulsive launch of the rocket minimizes the losses of the one out velocity due to. So correct answer is option B, gravitational force only. Next question. Multi-stage in a rockets improve the burning out performance by increasing mainly stage wise. So correct answer is option A, payload mass ratios. Next question. Lift on an aircraft climbing vertically up is. Correct answer is option B, 0. Next question. If an aircraft is performing a positive yawing maneuvers, the side slip angle. So correct answer is option D, could be any values. Next question. For an airplane to be strictly stable, its center of the gravity must be always be. So correct answer is option C, ahead of neutral point. Next question. It is seen that a drag polar of a certain airfoils is symmetric about the CD axle. This drag polar could refers to. Correct answer is option A, NACA 0012. Next question. The aerodynamic center of the supersonic airfoil, which code C is located at. So correct answer is option C, 0.50. Next question. Winglets are used on our wings to minimize. So correct answer is option D, induced drag. Next question. A main objective bypass in turbofan engine is to increase. So correct answer is option C, mass flow rate through exhaust nozzle. Next question. The pressure ratio in any one stage of a jet engine compressor is limited by. So correct answer is option C, pressure gradient induced separation in that stage. Next question. Thermodynamic cycle on which the jet engine operate can be. So correct answer is option C, open Brayton cycle only. Next question. The thrust produced by the turbojet engine. So correct answer for this question is option D. First increases and then decreases with the increased compressor pressure ratio. Next question. The vertical ground load factor of an stationary aircraft parked in its hangar is. So correct answer is option D, 1. Next question. In most airplanes, the Dutch roll mode can be excited by applying. So correct answer is option B, a step input to the rudder. Next question. With increase in airfoil thickness, the critical Mach number for an airfoil is likely to. So correct answer is option A, decreases. Dash airfoil will have located at the maximum chamber at a half chord length from the leading edge. So correct answer is option B, NACA 1225. Next question. Which of the following statement is not true across a oblique shock wave? So correct answer is option D, static pressure increases, total temperature decreases. Next question. The Dash aircraft engine has the highest propulsive efficiency at the cruising Mach number of the less than 0.5. So correct answer is option C, turboprop engine. Next question. Combustion is gas turbine engine is ideally represented as the following process. So correct answer is also baric, option C. Next question. For a given chamber pressure, the thrust of a rocket engine is highest when. So correct answer is option B, the rocket is operating in vacuum. Next question. The damping ratio in fugued motion for the glider is usually less compared to the powered aircraft vehicles. So correct answer is option C, lift to drag ratio is higher for gliders. Next question. During an aircraft cruising flight, the altitude above the ground is usually measured using. So correct answer is option A, static pressure. Next question. Indicate airspeed is used by a pilot during. So correct answer is option A, takeoff. Next question. The pitch angle and the angle of the attack for a fixed wing aircraft are equal during. So correct answer is option A, wing level, constant altitude, flight. Next question. Flow past airfoil is the molded using a vertex seat. The strength of the vertex seat at the trailing edge will be. So correct answer is option A, 0. Next question. Which one of the following high lift device resulted in high settling angle? So correct answer is option A, split flap. Next question. A turbojet engine is operating with afterburner off. If afterburner is switched off, then. So correct answer is option D, both thrust and SFC increases. Next question. The initial temperature sensitivity of burn rate of a solid rocket motor propellant is positive. If the initial temperature increases, then. So option A is correct. Thrust increases but burn time is decreases. Next question. For a flow through a Prandtl-Meyer expansion wave. So correct answer is option B, entropy stay constant. Next question. A conventional altimeter is a. So correct answer is option B, temperature transducer. Next question. Thrust available from a turbojet engine. So option A is your correct, that it increase as altitude increases. Next question. The short period damping frequency is. So correct answer is option A, 2.6 radians per second. Next question. An aircraft is climbing at a constant speed. The straight line at a speed angle of climbing. The load factor is sustained during the climbing is. So correct answer is option D, depending on the weight of the aircraft. Next question. The eigenvalue of a real symmetric matrix are always. So correct answer is option C, that is real. Next question. The absolute ceiling of an aircraft is the altitude above which it. So correct answer is option C, can perform acceleration flight as well as straight and level flight at a constant speed. Next question. The angular momentum about the center of a mass of the earth of artificial satellite in a highly elliptical orbit is. So option B is your correct, that is a constant. Next question. For a multi-state axial compressor with a constant diameter hub. So option B is correct, that is blade height increases in the flow direction. Next question. How does the specific thrust at a constant turbine inlet temperature produced by the turbofan engine change with an increase in compressor pressure ratio? So correct answer is option A, increases. Next question. Among the choose below, the specific impulse is maximum for a. So correct answer is option C, that is liquid rocket. Next question. The maximum operating flow rate through a centrifugal compressor at a given RPM is limited by. So correct answer is option D, inlet flow disturbance. So next question. Dash is a most stable configuration of an airplane in roll. So correct answer is option D, sweep back, dihedral and high wing. Next question. Dash flight instrument is used on an aircraft to determine its altitude in flight. So option C is correct, that is artificial horizon. Next question. Dash is a favorable for the airplane operation. So correct answer is tail wing is cruiside and head wing is landing. Next question. Which of the following is true with respect to the phugoid mode of an aircraft? So correct answer is option B, frequency is inversely proportional to the flight speed. Next question. Which of the following statement is not true for the supersonic flow? So option B is correct, that is over a sharp expansion corner entropy can increases. Next question. The critical Mach number for a flat plate of a zero thickness at the zero angle of attack is. So correct answer is option 1. Dash criteria lead to the maximum turn rate and minimum radius in a level turn flight. So correct answer is option C, high possible load factor and lowest possible velocity. Next question. An angular Bernoulli beam is bending is assumed to satisfy. So option D is correct. Neither plane stress condition nor plane strength condition. Next question. The spin efficiency factor of a wing is, so option C is correct, that is your 0.75. Next question, the compression pressure ratio is, so option C is correct, that is 3.50. Next question, to transfer a satellite from a elliptical orbit to a circular orbit having the radius equal to the opposite distance of the elliptical orbit, the speed of the satellite should be, so option E is correct, that is increase at the opposite. Next question. One of the inertia for a high-speed airplane is that the critical Mach number should be as high as possible. Therefore, the high-speed subsonic airplane are usually designed with. So, correct answer is option B, thin airfoils. Next question. The drag of an aircraft in a steady climbing flight at a given forward speed is, so option C is correct, that is low than drag in steady level flight at the same forward speed. Next question. The parameter that remain constant is a cruised climb of a aircraft are, so correct answer is option A, equivalent air speed and lift coefficient. Next question. The maximum thickness of a chord ratio for a NACA 24012 airfoil is, so correct answer is option B, that is 0.12. Next question. The maximum possible value of the pressure coefficient Cp in incompressible flow is, so correct answer is option B, 1. Next question. An irrotational and invisible flow can become a rotational on the passing through a, so correct answer is option C, curved shocked wave. Next question. Laminar flow airfoil are used to reduce, so correct answer is option B, skin friction drag. Next question. The degree of reaction of a impulsive turbine, so correct answer is option D, that is 0. Next question. In a conversion divergent nozzle of a rocket motor, the wall heat flux is maximum at, so correct answer is option B, the entry to the convergent portion of the CD nozzle. Next question. In a scramjet engine, the mass number at the entry to the combustion chamber is around, so correct answer is option C, that is 2. Next question. In the absence of the body movement, the symmetry of a stress transfer is derived from, so correct answer is option B, that is moment equilibrium condition. Next question. In a 3D orthotropic material, the number of the elastic constants in a linear stress strain relationship, so correct answer is option C, 9. Next. Compactability condition in a theory of the elasticity ensure as, so correct answer is option C, displacement as single valued and continuous. Next question. Dash quantities remain constant for a satellite is elliptical orbit around the earth, so correct answer is option B, that is product of the speed and radial distance from the center of the earth. Next question. The velocity of required for a spacecraft to escape Earth's gravitational field depend on, so option B is correct, that is the distance between the Earth's center and the spacecraft. Next question. Which one of the following is true as the altitude increases in the stratosphere of the international standard atmosphere, so correct answer is option A, that is temperature increase and dynamic viscosity decreases. Next question. Which of the following statement is true, so option B is true. Wing dihedral increases roll stability while a low wing reduces roll stability. Next question. In the primary function of a fin in the vertical tail of a aircraft is to provide, so correct answer is option B, stability. Next question. An Aircraft requires the trailing edge of an elevator to be deflected upward from its initial position to the lower the stream speed. Which one of the following statement about the static strict fixed stability of the aircraft is true? So option is true, that is your the aircraft is unstable. Next question. If the flow Mach number in a turbulent boundary layer over a flat plate is increased, keeping the Reynolds number unchanged, the skin friction coefficient CF. So option A is correct, that is decreases. Next question. In a supersonic wind tunnel design, an oblique shock diffuser is preferred over a normal shock diffuser because. So option A is correct, that is it reduces total pressure loss. Next question. The vibration of the downwash along the span of the twisted wing is elliptical plane form. So it is the correct answer is option D, that is constant. So this session is end here. I hope you understand all the questions. Thank you for watching. जय हिंद, जय भारत.